Hello and welcome to the year 2020. Okay, now I'll take that off because we're currently social distancing. However, I thought a lot of people are getting on the sock mask bandwagon. So I thought I'm just going to quickly show you guys how to make one, and I'll show you how I cut it as well, because I cut it a little bit differently from some other people. Obviously I made this cool black one, which I actually think looks pretty cool. But I'll use this. This is an odd sock I've had hanging around for ages. I thought I'll use this to show you because you can quite clearly see from the marks where the heel and everything is. So, first thing we want to do, all we need is a sock and some scissors. We don't need any, no sewing, no nothing required. You want to chop halfway down where your foot would go. So about there between the toe and the heel. Then want to chop an even amount off the other side. So just fold that over and chop it on the other side. Right. Then we want to chop, the heel is there, along the top bit there. Now, open that up like that and fold it the other way. That's kind of the way it's going to be sitting. And now, just to make it fit a little bit nicer, I cut from about halfway there, diagonally to the middle. So from there to there, and then again on that side from there to the middle. So, with that sort of a shape, then we just need some little slits here and here to put your ears. Right, so, and there, we are pretty much done. Now all that's left is to try it on and see how awesome I look. Am I going to look awesome, Aston? Key is, you gotta, if you're a glasses wearer, your glasses go over the top. Oh, look how cool I look. I feel like I should do, that looks like a mouth. That's it does, that looks like a mouth. I could like draw a little mouth there. It'll depend on the kind of sock you use as to how it fits. I'll take this off so you can hear me better. This one is actually a lot thicker than the other sock that I used, the black one. Here you go, do you want to try that one on? The black one fits me a bit better. It's a bit of a thinner sock, was the black one. But yeah, if you're a glasses wearer, the key to not having your glasses fog up is to have it nice and secure around your nose. So if you can get your glasses over top and sit them on top of your mask, you look awesome, Aston. There we go. You look funnier.
You look funnier.
Do not. Hit like. Leave us a comment. Hit subscribe. And turn your sock into a mask. Because why not?